Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by using a prepared Windows 11 USB recovery drive, plug it in, and power off the PC. Immediately press your BIOS key repeatedly to enter setup. This ensures the system boots the installer. Once inside, navigate to Boot or Boot Order and prioritize USB. Make sure Fast Boot is disabled so firmware initializes devices. Save and exit to boot from the USB. You're doing this because the installer gives repair tools that the broken OS cannot access. When the USB installer starts, select Repair Your Computer, then Troubleshoot, because those paths expose repair utilities without reinstalling. Start with Startup Repair. It attempts to fix boot configuration automatically. If that fails, open Advanced Options and run Command Prompt so you can execute sfc/scano to repair system files and chkdskc/f to fix disk errors. Once done, rebuild the BCD with bootrec/fixember, bootrec/fixboot, and bootrec/. After repairs, remove the USB and return to BIOS to restore the internal drive as first boot. You want the system to attempt normal startup. If Windows still fails, boot the USB again to repeat targeted repairs or choose Reset this PC to keep or remove files while reinstalling. Make sure SATA mode matches previous setting. Switching OSI versus IDE can break boot if drivers differ. If that's the case, change it back and rerun startup repair. This resolves many drive-related boot problems.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.